There's Channing. It's hard for me to get a closer video of him because he's still very wild. But he loves coming outside when it gets dark out. And he likes to actually rummage around in the grass there. So he's able to hop up onto that log that we have there with his one wing. But, hi. I can only zoom in on him. If I move closer, he'll quickly hop back into his little house there. So, yes, you're so pretty. You look very handsome, Channing. Wish we can interact with him more, but he seems to like being by himself and chilling by himself. Still hasn't warmed up to us very much. He likes to hop down on the ground too and run around in the grass. I don't know if he's going to do that.